I welcome you all in the next video tutorial of Middle Biology Practical, that is BP 112 RBP. So in this video we will cover the morphology of leaf. So far we have covered the stem and the root part, and in this video we will going to cover yet another part of the plant, that is the leaf. Yes, by definition the leaf is a lateral flattened structure of the plant, and in most of the plant it is green in color. So yes, we know why it is green, due to chlorophyll. The presence of a plant pigment that is known as the chlorophyll, it is green in color. So yes, leaves have different parts like lamina, petiole and leaf base. So if we talk about the main parts, you can see here, this is your stem and this is the petiole, okay, from which entire leaf will form. This is petiole. This part is known as the tip. These are the venations, veins are present. This is known as the blade of your leaf, and this is your axial part, or of course this is the small part. This is, again I am telling you, exceptions are always there. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि हमें हर leaf पे stipiole मिले. So this is the stipiole. So look at this image. Again you will clear. This is again the stem part is there. This is the leaf base. This line, whole, this is the petiole basically, and this line is known as the midrib. Remember this thing. This is the midrib, and these are the किनारे जो margins हैं. These are the margins. This is the tip. So ये veins हैं अंदर. Means जो ये particular एक veins आ गई और इसके साथ में जो छोटी veins निकल रही हैं, इसी के सब part जो छोटे forms में है, जो minutes हैं, उसको हम बोलेंगे they are known as the venules. And this entire is known as the leaf blade, जो हमने पिछले diagram में देखा. This is of course the petiole. This is the axial from which this petiole will originate and form different parts of the leaf. एक डायग्राम और देखते हैं, स्टिप्यूल्स. तो जरूरी नहीं है कि हर प्लांट में हमें हर लीफ में स्टिप्यूल मिले. तो कई बार लीफ में स्टिप्यूल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, कईयों में नहीं होते हैं. तो स्टिप्यूल्स आर आल्सो देयर. देन petiole, स्टिप्यूल, petiole, then the base. Yes, this is the midrib. ये साइड वाले, these are the margin, this is the apex, and these are the veins, whole known as the blade. So I hope this is clear to you. So these are the different parts of the leaf, like petiole, again base, midrib, margin, vein, apex. So you will remember all this part. So let's focus. So what is venation? So venation is the arrangement of the veins. अभी हमने देखा जो veins थी and vein islets in the leaf. So basically there are two type of venations, like reticulate and parallel venations. So it is very simple actually. तो venation हमने देखा दो तरह की है, कौन सी? रेटिकुलेट एंड पैरेलल. तो सबसे पहले हम लीफ, सपोज दिस इज अ लीफ और ये आ गई आपकी मिडरिब. अगर हम पैरेलल वेनेशन की बात करें, तो अगर वेनेशन ऐसे हो, कई प्लांट्स में वेनेशन पैरेलली होती है. दिस इज द पैरेलल टाइप ऑफ वेनेशन. फॉर एग्जांपल, यस, दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स. तो हियर यू कैन सी veins are, what are the veins? These are parallel to each other. Okay, I hope this is clear. So in this, these are, let's take an example of this plant. Yes, over here, very important. These are venations are always there, but these are parallel to each other. So they are known as the parallel type of venation. Second, other example is there, that is the reticulate type of venation. Suppose this is the leaf and this is the midrib part, and if you have venation like this in this frame, net like, so these type of venations are known as the reticulate type of venation. As you can read over here, reticulate venation. Here veins form a network, like in dicot plants we found reticulate venation, whereas sometimes they run like parallel to each other. For example, monocot. Just see the example. This is the example of the, yes, parallel type of venation. This is the reticulate type of venation. Let me just see the images of different type of, yes, this is the reticulate net-like venation. This is the reticulate venation, net-like. These are not parallel to each other. Okay, so I think this is clear to you. So there are different type of leaves, like simple leaf and compound leaf. This is very important. So when the lamina is single or undivided, it is known as the simple leaf. And what is compound leaf? Then the lamina is fully broken into clear segments or leaflets. So in these different leaflets will form. This is known as the compound leaf. as you can see in the image, so this is the example of simple leaf. This is the petiole, again this is a leaf will form. But in case of this, this is a stem part. Okay, so from compound means many, from single this petiole, the different type of leaflets will form. So this type of leaf are the example of your what? Compound leaf. You will clear over here. Look at this. In the simple leaf, an undivided leaf blade is there. But in case of compound leaf, the leaf which contains a series of the leaflets attached to the midrib. So let us see this example. This is a simple, and this is again leaflets are there. This is the compound leaf, and compound leaf are of different types also. Okay, let's see this again. A simple leaf has only one blade. Okay, single leaf, whereas here over here leaflets are formed different. So next important term in the leaf is the phyllotoxy. What is this phyllotoxy? It is the arrangement of the leaf on the stem or branch. Very simple. For example, alternate, opposite and whorled. These are of three types. What is this alternate leaf arrangement? It is nothing but a single leaf at a node. Okay. And what is this opposite? Two leaf at a node. And what is whorled? More than two leaf in a row or a node. Again very simple. Alternate, one leaf is there, then second. Alternate arrange. These are the one is present over here, second, third, fourth. What is opposite? आमने सामने, एक यहाँ पे एक इधर, opposite to each other. And whorled, एक ही point से you can find different leaves originated. Look at this. I think this is clear. Okay, alternate, opposite, आमने सामने, एक ही point से आमने सामने. Whorled एक से ज्यादा हो सकते हैं, दो, तीन, चार. Look at this. So tell me what is the arrangement over here? Yes. Alternate arrangement. एक यहाँ पे एक यहाँ पे. अगर यहीं पे इसके सामने एक leaf suppose grow हो जाए होता तो हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Opposite to each other. Like this. This is the opposite arrangement. So this is important. If you talk about the leaf, as per venation, you will find this is parallel type. Sometimes this is type of venation are also known as the pinnate type or palm, like हाथ की जो हमारे palm है उसकी तरह. So basically you must know some of the points over here. There are different shapes of the leaf because there are numerous shapes, like sometimes you will find linear, ovate, obovate, okay, palm like our fingers, हमारे हाथ की तरह, palm की तरह, reniform, lanceolate, etc. Yes, arrangement of the leaves are again we found different type of margin in the leaf, like जो leaf के किनारे हैं कई बार हमें अगर इस तरह देखने को मिले जैसे entire margin, crenate हो तो इस ढंग से उसकी शेप होगी, dentate थोड़े से नोकीले होंगे तो serrate बोल देंगे जैसे रोज है, और lobed होगा तो इस तरीके से होगा. Because leaf have different variations. अगर आप 10 घर के आसपास 10 पत्ते उठाओ तो हर पत्ते में आपको एक अलग ही बात दिखेगी, अलग ही वेरिएशन दिखेगी, अलग ही उसके किनारे, उसके मार्जिन्स भी अलग होंगे, उसकी शेप भी अलग होगी, और उसकी अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द स्टेम कैसा होगा, या तो ऑल्टरनेट या ऑपोजिट या whorled. Okay, so I hope this one you must have a bit understanding about different type of leaf. So if we talk about the modification, so some leaves they get modified and form tendrils like peas, spines also, they develop spines, and for storage they become fleshy leaf like onion. Look at this, these are the modification like tendrils, this is the fleshy leaf onion, okay, and this is the spines cactus. So as you can see, this is the again modification they developed. These are known as the spines of the leaves, okay, like in aloe vera plant, very commonly found plant. So I hope this is clear to you. So in the last, I acknowledge all the sources I have to prepare the video. Thank you very much for your patience. See you in the next lecture.